How to change reservation during a trip in Airbnb. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. In today's video, I will simply show you how you can change your reservation in Airbnb. So just make sure to watch this video till the end. So to change your reservation, what do you do? So currently you can see I'm on the official help center or the health support page of Airbnb, and here's what they say about changing our reservation. They tell us that if your trip has already started and you want to change the length of your reservation, you can submit a change request to your host. However, there are a few things to bear in mind before you do so. First is, you can change the number of guests after check-in if agreed upon with the host. Any additional payments can be made through the resolution center. The cancellation policy will remain the same as the originally booked policy for short-term reservations. And to submit the change request, what do you need to do? So if you're on desktop, first of all, you can go to trips and select the trip that you want to change. So you can just tap on this trips option over here, and then when you go to trips, you should be able to go ahead and simply sign into your account and select the trip that you actually booked in that case. And then under your reservation info, click on the show details button, change or cancel, and then under change reservation, change the date of your stay or the reserved number of guests and click on save, and review changes, then just click on the send request option. Now what happens next? Depending on the host policy, changes to the number of guests may affect the total cost of your stay. This will be automatically reflected in your bill once your host confirms the changes before you finalize. If the request is declined or you don't receive a response from your host, your reservation will actually stay the same. But this is simply it as to how you can change your reservation in Airbnb. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.